Today we will introduce you to an amazing magical herb, and we will show you how you can benefit from it by incorporating it into your daily diet. You will notice a dramatic improvement in your visual acuity, and you might even be able to dispense with your eyeglasses by using this natural product. It only takes a few weeks to start taking effect and kicking in, and not only does it improve vision, but it has many other benefits, such as fighting against mental illness and depression, improving memory, and the overall brain activity. So without any delay, let's start talking about this important herb and its therapeutic properties. What is macular degeneration? The retina spot is a small yellow spot near the center of the retina, and it contains light-sensing cells. Macular degeneration, also known as age-related macular degeneration, is a defect in the retina spot in the eye, and it is the main cause of vision loss among people aged 50 years and over. This disorder may not cause vision loss from the beginning, but in many cases, the disease develops very slowly from blurring in the eyes, leading over time to a complete vision loss in one eye or both. Here we will give you some of the very effective natural nutrients that are very important for the treatment and prevention of intractable problems that may affect the eye. Research has shown that the saffron herb with its distinctive properties and ingredients is the only effective solution among other natural remedies used for this purpose. Saffron herb contains distinct compounds, and it is the most expensive spice in the world, with 1 pound costing between $500 and $5,000. Saffron branches are full of antioxidants and natural carotenoids. They also contain other compounds such as crocin and quercetin, as well as other flavonoids that protect the lens and retina from aging-related problems. Saffron also contains terpenes and terpenes esters. Among these important and effective compounds, there is a very active substance in saffron called safranal. It is a substance that attributes to saffron all its wonderful antioxidant properties. But what is the role of saffron in the macular degeneration problem? Saffron herb with its distinctive compounds protects pigment cells in the eye's retina from oxidative stress. Saffron is able to restore the function and structure of retinal cells that have been damaged by light exposure and age, making them suffer from oxidative stress. The antioxidant properties of the crocins in saffron are actually much stronger than any other carotenoids for this very purpose. This substance in saffron protects retinal cells from damage and increases the sensitivity of the retina. Saffron has anti-cancer properties, and it strengthens immunity and protects the cells of the nervous system. In practice, patients with macular degeneration in retinal cells were given 20 mg of saffron per day. The result was that saffron improved their light-sensing abilities in retinal cells. The effect of using saffron has also increased their visual acuity, which means that they have increased the ability to see from longer distances. In a nutshell, the benefits of saffron to the eye can be summed up as follows. Increases eye sensitivity to light. Increases visual acuity. Reduces the symptoms of vision loss. Maintains retinal components and cells from damage. Reduces the risk of oxidative stress to the eye. Helps protect the eye from nyctalopia, meaning night blindness. It also protects retinal cells from death. But the question still, how is saffron taken and prepared for this purpose? You can eat saffron in the following ways. Prepare it with milk or tea, or with other supplements to improve eyesight using the following method. Take 8 to 10 branches of fresh saffron. Add the branches to 1 cup of water. Let the mixture boil for 10 minutes. Take 1 cup in the morning and another one in the evening. You can add saffron to milk or tea instead of water. It can be prepared in the same way to get the great benefits of saffron. You can add saffron in its original form to your favorite salad platter of 20 milligrams a day, which is equivalent to 10 branches of saffron herb. You can use saffron and honey by mixing 20 milligrams of organic saffron with 2 teaspoons of honey. You can use this mixture once a day to increase the retina's response to light sensitivity and to improve vision. Like the main components of saffron, there are other carotenoids that you can take with saffron to boost results. For example, alpha-carotene is a carotene that protects the retinal pigment cells from oxidation from light. Other carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin are found in high concentration in many components of the eye. Research has shown that their intake improves retinal function, increases the ability to see contrasting colors and shapes, improves visual acuity, and treats cataract, meaning the clouding of the eye's natural lens.